Hello guys, and welcome to the user's guide of the JBL TUNE215 tws. And in this video we want to show you all of the functionalities of these wireless earbuds. And we also have additional videos in case there's a topic that you need more information for. So we are going to link those here in the upper right corner. But now let's get started. And the first topic we want to talk about is how to charge these earbuds. So when you first get them, then the earbud batteries are going to be empty and you have to place the earbuds into the charging case. So you should at least leave them in there for 15 minutes. That will give you 1 hour charge. You can see that they're charging by the LED here on the top of the earbuds. When this is lit up, then the earbud batteries are being charged. A full charge for the earbuds takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes. So then you see here these little LEDs in the front, that those indicate the status of the battery of the charging case. So right now the battery of my charging case is pretty much full, but once you have to charge the battery, that is indicated when the last LED here is going to blink, then it's time to plug in here the charging cable. You plug this into the back side, and then the other end here, this USB connector, you can plug that into, for example, the charger of your smartphone. Here in this case this is an iPhone charger, and just plug it into an outlet. And at this point you are going to see that the LEDs here in the front are going to start blinking. So you see this. So in this case here the battery is almost full, and you know that the battery is fully charged when the LEDs here stop blinking or if the LEDs completely turn off. And a full charge of the case battery takes about 2 hours. So when the battery is fully charged, it is time to remove the charging cable again, and always make sure you just pull it out nice and straight, because these charging ports here, these are kind of fragile, so if you bend them too much and too often, then eventually they're going to break and you won't be able to charge the battery anymore in the future. So always make sure to pull them out nice and straight. And if you need more information about charging the battery, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner. So now that we're done charging the earbuds, now it's time to pair them to our smartphone. So in this example I'm going to show you how to do this on an iPhone, but it's really similar to an Android phone as well. We start out by taking out one of the earbuds, and you're going to immediately see on the top here this LED is going to blink in blue and white. You may have to wait a little bit, but eventually it is going to blink in blue and white, and we just put the earbud to the side and we switch to my phone here, and I'm going to enter the settings menu, and here we're going to select Bluetooth, and then here we can now enable the Bluetooth functionality. And on the very bottom of this list here we're going to find JBL TUNE215 tws. I'm just going to select this, and now the earbuds are going to be paired to my smartphone here. You see this, it says now connected. And we can also double check this by taking a look at the earbuds. You're going to see the LED here is not going to blink blue and white anymore. It's now pulsating in blue for a couple of times. So that means it is now paired to the phone. So at this point the earbuds are now ready to be used, and we can just take them both out and use them both at the same time. And we can also alternatively just use one of them. So you can either use the left earbud or just the right earbud. Okay, so now we're taking a look at the earbuds when we want to actually use them. And you may have already noticed on the side here where it says JBL, that is actually a button. And there is a button on both earbuds, and both of them have different functionalities. So I'm just going to start out by showing you when we want to play music. Then we can just press the button of the right earbud one time, and it's going to start playing our music. And if we do press it again, then it is going to pause. Now in case you're using voice assistants like Siri or Google Assist or Bixby, then you can activate that by pressing the button 2 times. Now in case you are receiving a phone call, then you can accept that call by pressing the button once, and if you press it again you're going to hang up. In case you want to mute the microphone for a little bit, then you press and hold the button for 2 seconds, and if you press it for 2 seconds again you're going to unmute. All these button presses that I just explained to you are true for the right earbud, but they also work for the left earbud, but only in the case that you're using the left earbud by itself and not the right earbud. When you're using both earbuds at the same time, then the left earbud has a couple of other functions. For example, by pressing the button once, you're going to skip your music to the next track. Pressing the button twice will go back to the beginning of the current track or to the previous track. In case of an incoming call, you can also just press the left button to accept and to end the call, as well as pressing and holding the button for 2 seconds to mute and unmute the microphone. In case you're wondering how to raise or lower the audio volume with the earbuds, then I have to unfortunately tell you that this is not possible, so you still have to use your smartphone to change the audio volume. Once you're done using the earbuds, you just place them back into the case. For one, that is how you turn off the earbuds, and also putting them into the case is going to make sure that the batteries are going to be charged. You don't have to worry about overcharging the batteries of the earbuds. They are going to automatically stop charging once their batteries are full. So it is no problem to leave the earbuds for a longer period of time inside of the charging case. And now the last topic is a factory reset. In case you ever have to do that, just put both earbuds into the charging case and press and hold the button on the right earbud for a couple of seconds. Okay, so this was already it for the user's guide of the JBL TUNE215 tws. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below. Maybe give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these earbuds.